This video is on backup and restore. In this video, we will look at what is backup and restore, we'll look at Windows 10 backup, and we will restore from backup. What is backup and restore? You use backups as an insurance policy for your valuable data to make sure that if something goes wrong with your computer, that the data can be recovered. Backups of your data is very important, but even more important is the restoration of that data. You should always test the restore of your backup to ensure that it will work when disaster strikes. You can get to backup from the settings panel. Open the settings panel, go to Update and Security, and then select Backup from the left nav menu. Windows 10 uses file history as a backup mechanism. It backs up your files to another drive and restores them if the originals are lost, damaged, or deleted. To start file history, click the Add a Drive Plus button. Windows will search for appropriate drives on your computer, or you can show all network locations. We're going to select the Seagate Backup Plus drive, the E drive. That's all there is to setting up file history. It's automatically backing up your important files. You can click More Options to tell it how often to back up your files and how long to keep your backups. And you can tell it which folders to back up. As you can see, it does saved games, links, downloads, favorites, contacts, OneDrive, desktop, 3D objects, searches, and then some other OneDrive folders. You can tell it to exclude certain folders, and you can stop using the current drive. We're going to create a file in Documents. We'll create a new text document. Then we'll go back to Backup, click Backup Now, and it is backing up my data. And you can see the backup size is really small, 16 kilobytes. Let's go ahead and close this. We'll close this. Now, how do we restore a file if it accidentally gets deleted? Like, let's go in here and delete this important text file. How do we restore this file? From the Start menu, type Restore Files, and select Restore Your Files with File History. This comes up with a list of all the folders that it has backups of. Click the Documents folder, and you can see the important text file is here. And you can double-click it to read the contents of that file. Right-click, or click on it, and click the green Restore to Original Location button. And that's all there is to it. Now click on Documents and you can see that the important text file is still there. In this video we looked at what is backup and restore, we looked at Windows 10 backup, and we restored from backup. Please join us in the next video titled Windows Reset.